Hello and welcome. Today, I'm excited to walk you through this powerful n8n automation workflow, a smart travel agent designed to help you search flights and track fare changes automatically. This workflow can be triggered in two ways: a telegram request when you want to plan a trip instantly, or a scheduled trigger that runs in the background and proactively sends you alerts. Let's start from the beginning. The workflow begins with the telegram trigger, which listens for any message sent by the user. Right after that, extract user message captures the raw text so we can understand what the user wants. Then we move to extract travel details, where an AI model intelligently reads the user's natural language message, like flight from Dubai to London on December 25th for 2 adults, and converts it into structured travel data. It even converts city names to IATA airport codes, extracts dates, number of travelers, and more. If something is missing, the Build Missing Info message node prepares a friendly prompt. Then Request Missing Info sends it back to the user on Telegram and even waits for a response using a custom form, making it conversational and interactive. But if the details are complete, we move forward with the live flight search process. We can fetch real data using Fetch Flight Data or generate sample flights using Generate Mock Flight Data for testing. Then, Process Flight Results converts that raw API data into a clean format containing flight number, airline, times, route, and a temporary mock fare. Here we are using Real Flight Search EP from AviationStack. When the user submits a travel request on Telegram, something like "Find me flights from Dubai to London on 25th December for 2 adults," the Telegram trigger node instantly fires and passes the message into the workflow. From here, the chain of logic begins automatically. GA extract user message captures the raw text. GA AI extraction understands the intent and converts it into structured data. GA validation checks if all required details are available. The Send Flight Results Telegram node delivers the response straight back to the user, including flight number, route, times, price, lowest deal, average fare, and insights. From here onward, the workflow gets even smarter. We compare current prices with historical ones, track changes, update a Google Sheet, and notify users if prices drop or spike. And that's just the first half of the workflow. In short, user sends message overflow, thinks OFC, fetches data, analyzes expose back to Telegram. Before I move on, let me share something important. This workflow didn't start perfect. Initially, there were multiple flaws and broken connections. Some nodes were not passing the correct data, conditions were failing, API responses were inconsistent, and the fare comparison logic was not working as expected. Instead of fixing everything manually, I leveraged one of the strongest features of n8n, the n8n AI Assistant. I asked the AI Assistant to analyze the entire workflow, and it actually detected nodes that were not receiving the data they expected, suggested better ways to handle branching logic, helped rewrite code snippets inside code nodes. With just a few AI-guided iterations, the workflow became cleaner, more stable, easier to understand, and fully automated end-to-end. Here's a quick preview of the improved structure, so you can see how AI actually helped fix real-world automation issues and made this workflow production ready. Now let's take a quick look at the AviationStack API usage for this workflow. Since I'm using the free tier, there is a limited number of monthly requests. As the workflow runs, either through Telegram search requests or the scheduled fare tracking, each call consumes one API hit. Here you can see the current usage stats, summer total quota on free tier, how many calls we've already used, summer total, how many are still available. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to build a similar workflow or even enhance this one, drop your thoughts in the comments and let's collaborate. Every experiment like this brings us one step closer to the agentic future, where AI plus automation work together to make our systems smarter, more proactive, and fully hands-off. Let's build that future, one workflow at a time.